In this video, we review one of the best product available in the market today. We will show you the specifications and key features of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Bravo XL unpacked, I'm going to show you some of the basic functions of it. The Bravo, when you unpack it, comes with this tape here that prevents the door from opening during shipping. Just pull these off, and again, this is recyclable. So first thing we do is look here on the bottom. This is your crumb tray. You slide it out. You can empty the crumbs into the garbage. You can wipe it. You can wash it, let it dry, and then simply reinstall it. It works that easy. And you'll notice, obviously, the racks aren't in there. So just for now, I'm going to put the two racks in. I'm going to put one on the low level. These are adjustable, so you have 1, 2, 3 fills you can put your racks. And I'll put the other one somewhere here in the middle. The two tabs on the outside, and there's two tabs on the inside. And this is a very simple reason. When you have the rack in the center, you close the door, the two tabs on the door begin pulling out your rack. Simply using the roasting rack on either level to roast something. You can also remove one of the racks and give yourself a lot more space to roast something large. The air fryer basket, the same way. You can place it in right on the rack. So now if you notice here, on-off button, obviously we're going to turn the unit on. When you turn the unit on, it automatically, as a default, goes to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. But from there, it is 100% adjustable. You just hit time and temperature, and you can toggle back and forth between the time or the temperature, and then use the knob to adjust either the temperature or the time. And using the menu button, you can scroll through waffle, toast, bake, roast, all the different presets we worked on. The presets are fully adjustable. So if your preset on toast is 3 minutes for 310, and you want your toast to cook either a little faster or a little darker, you just simply add time and or add temperature. Okay, the next thing, self-explanatory, we have a light button on here which turns on a light inside the unit, which helps you see what you're cooking. So thank you for purchasing the NuWave Bravo XL oven.
Why we love this product. And these are rating for this product.